Have you ever walked in your closet, your restroom, your kitchen, or your garage, and you turn on your fluorescent light and it flickers? Or maybe like mine's, this happened, one light come on and sometimes no light come on. I have to turn it on and off and on and off. This is very frustrating. So the problem is the ballast has gone bad. And this part right here to the left is the ballast. And it's easy to change. You just need these particular tools. Make sure you got a screwdriver. And if you're not comfortable doing this, call a friend or electrician to help you out with it. But it's very easy to do. First, what you want to do is make sure your power is off. And you go get your ladder and you start taking the cover off. And you take your fluorescent lights out. This right here is T-12. And it goes in 8. 12/8 is 1.5 inches. And some of them are like T8s, which is 8/8 is 1. So it's 1 inch in diameter. This is your ballast right here. But before you start cutting on any wires or anything, make sure you test. Make sure there's no power. Even though you turn your power off, you need one of these testers to double check. So I'm gonna turn it on and show you what happened when you got power on. You see right there, it's turned red and it started beeping. I'm gonna turn the power off. It's off. So now we're gonna start cutting the cables. And like I said, again, if you're not comfortable doing this, call a friend or get an electrician to do it for you. But it's really simple to do. And you notice that I'm going to go ahead and cut off all this excess wiring. And I'm going to cut this one a little longer, the yellow one, because I'm going to have to go to the opposite side. Then you get your stripper cables and just start getting the covering off these cables. Make sure you got everything stripped back. And then you want to make sure, again, all of these cables are stripped. And then you get your twist locks and you can twist these together. White goes to white, black to black, red to red, yellow to yellow. And you're going to have 2 yellow, 2 blues, and make sure you don't tie those together. They're all separate from each other. So I'm putting these together. And once I get everything wired together, I'm going to bunch it up and get it out the way. So I'm going to go ahead. You see right here, this yellow. You see I got 2 yellow and I'm tying it in together. You notice that I didn't put all the yellows together and tie them together with one twist lock. I did everything separately, just like I took it off. And let me say this again. If you're not comfortable doing this, get an electrician to do it or call a friend that is comfortable. And again, red to red, black to black. And if you look up here, my white is my neutral and my black is my hot. So once I got all these tied together, I'm gonna bunch them up and I'm gonna move them out the way. And I'm gonna put my fluorescent light back in and test it before I put any of the other covers back on. So this should be the last one right here. And once I get that twisted on, like I said, I'm gonna bunch everything up together. And I'm gonna get my fluorescent light. This is a T-12. It's 1.5 inches in diameter. So I'm gonna put those in. And once I get everything in, I'm gonna go ahead and turn my power on and see if it works. It works great. So I'm gonna switch it on and off a few times, make sure this thing is working. I'm gonna walk out and switch it on again, and it works great. So I'm gonna change mine in my closet also. So everything's working fine. And again, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and have a great day.